In this video, I will be explaining how you can use the adjustment or the fill layer in Photoshop. So here I have got the image of the greatest cricketer in the world, Sachin Tendulkar, and you can see that there is just one layer in this particular Photoshop document. So with adjustment layer, we can modify the image, but we do not destroy the original image at the same time as well. So basically what we do is that we select the layer where our image is. So in this case, layer 0 contains our image. So select that particular layer and then click on this circle you can see at this bottom of the screen. And then you can add the adjustment layer for solid color, gradient, pattern, brightness, etc. So there are a lot of options over here. So let us select this brightness or the contrast. And as soon as I click on that, you can see that new layer has been created, and that's why it is called as an adjustment layer. And we can make the changes to this particular layer, but what happens is that those changes are applied to the original image as well. So I'm gonna change the brightness for this particular layer, and you will notice that the image that was in the layer 0 is getting impacted. So that is the main benefit of using the adjustment layer. So if you are not happy, all you can do is that you can delete this adjustment layer and you will get your original photo that was there in the layer 0. That's it. Thanks for watching.